He's a better mic. I need a better mic.
I'm okay with
Also need
my
a better
headset mic. I don't need anything better for now.
It's just, you guys know what's been happening to mine the last few days, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Cool, that's cool.
Alright, mouse who's the bit, leap, put that back.
Sorry, I had to call my one roommate's phone.
Hey Charlie, did you know that the captain starts with a red item?
I did
Oh,
not.
but that's like his unique item, so.
Yeah. Isn't the captain a she?
Yes.
Good to know.
Alright.
I guess. I don't know. I don't read like the character bio, so I know the artificer's feminine.
I got a tougher times, baby.
I only know
Alright.
the artificer was feminine because of completing the game last night.
Yeah, it said she in the message. For Goku, it
Yeah.
says, and so he moved on hungry for more, and I went, yeah, pretty much.
I think that's like acrids or something.
I got beads of fealty and I still don't know what they do.
Seems to do nothing. Oh, it's something to do with the obliviate.
Ah.
There's a certain reward if you get to obliviate with that.
Obliterate.
I got yeah, obliterate. You guys know what I mean. I'm just really bad at saying it.
Indeed.
Teleporter's there.
So I cannot attack mid while I'm using my one ability. Got it.
Oh shit, they spawned up here too. Hey,
Oh yeah, we don't have it so it marks the teleporter whenever we find it.
Yeah, that's
oh,
a
that
mod.
hurt.
Ow.
Woo! I'm so nervous because I don't know how many things I've killed with it, and I'm assuming it will just tell me when I get 15.
You'll get the reward whenever you get there.
I just wish there was a way of keeping track.
I just counted myself. That's all I did.
Got it.
There you go. I
Wow.
want Topaz Amulet.
Okay, you do not get to claim that that was yours. I literally activated that shrine specifically so I could get that chest.
Where do you good over there?
I stepped into fire, forgetting
Don't
how
do that.
slow Acrid is.
I'm trying to kill the fire lemur, but I'm not great with range, and I hit him with my
There's
revolver.
3 chests up here. Holy shit! Ooh, attack
Dang.
speed's.
Yeah, the
just
one thing
starting
the
over.
artificer sucks at is like fighting aerial enemies.
Dude, that one doesn't look open.
What I do when it comes to aerial enemies is I charge up my plasma grenade and just chuck it near them because it will shock enemies as it goes by.
I mean, yeah.
But yeah, being 0 hit scan all projectile kind of makes range a bit of a pain to hit. Wait, I don't know if you guys know hit scan versus projectile.
Well, I've seen
I
the
do.
Wingman Elite fire, so I'm very familiar with hit scan.
The start of my
Mark. I don't want
My-
that, Mark. Armor piercing, that's pretty good.
God, I just want to open some fucking chests. I've got 217, but I only find opened ones.
Yeah.
I know. I move slow so everyone gets them before me.
You do remember to sprint, right?
I do sprint, and I'm still slower than most of you.
The Artificer is
As-
not bad.
I'm pretty sure if you your aerial speed's better than our base speed, though. I don't know. This is the type of game I typically go in solo with, so I don't really compare. It's all just
Thank you.
feeling. Oh, that was fun. I may not have hit the enemy. So satisfying to hear the ping whenever you kill an enemy if your light's out.
That is a really nice noise. What the fuck is happening over here?
I hit the wisp with my jump. That's amazing. Acrid's hit combo does feel pretty nice.
And every third hit regenerates your health.
Oh shit, is that real?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh,
You have to
Rose
hit with it,
Buckler, that's
though.
pretty
You
good.
need a literal single dollar. Alright, fucking damn.
Alright, I'm ready for teleporter whenever you guys can gather.
We're not gonna make the speed running chest, Aiden.
Well,
Is it 5 minutes?
It's 10, I think. This is mine.
Damn.
I can open it for you if you want.
Oh yeah, because if we're just gonna activate the teleporter, I could have just opened that.
There we go. Alright, let's go.
Doesn't matter on who spends the money for it, just who picks it up.
Hang on, there's one of those chant shrines that I want to try and get something out
Up
of.
here?
Yeah, but I can't fly. Oh well.
I need a 138 to open it now.
Oh, hang on, I'll be up. I've got that kind of money.
Alright, it's yours. You...
Can't fly.
Yeah. Your aerial mobility is one of the worst of the base.
You guys can hit the teleporter. I'm just going up to get
Lock the
this thing.
shrine. It would lock the shrine if we did.
Well,
Yeah, oh well. I don't have enough money to get another anyway, so...
Alright, we got... Ooh, infusions. Everyone gets an infusion.
Oh, I love this
Nice.
item. Damn.
Yeah, I don't know if I would like Acrid single player, because you can't really hit Wisp.
You'd have to use your secondary fire, but it's not that... It's not super difficult to track with.
It's just the range of the secondary fire is deceptively short. Like his
Why you have
ultimate's
that
actually...
R.
Oh yeah, his ultimate ability. I have I have it M1, M2,
no,
M5,
no.
M4
Tasty.
because I have that option.
Yo, who got a healing drill?
B. That's my R ability. I have one that damages things and one that
You
heals
like-
things, but if I drop them on something, it does a bunch of damage, so I just drop them on the boss.
I mean the physical drone.
Oh,
Oh,
the drone.
Yeah, you can see since the drones are all under Ash's name, they're all Ashes.
True, but I didn't know because that's also where they would be if they were under my name.
You're still Wind Tunnel. What are you doing here?
Still broken. God damn it.
Damn it! Now still within range.
Yeah, tell me when that's over because I've just muted him because that's not going to end well on OBS.
No. Alright, Shrine of Chance right next to respawn. Medkit, flash grenade,
throw.
and personal shield generator. Ooh, an offense chest. I want this damage chest.
Damn.
Damn,
Oh, fuck.
You have fun.
God damn, that's fun to do.
But I do need utility. Oh, there's a Shrine of the Mountain over there.
I also need a utility chest.
Fucking dare party. What are utility chests? If someone says
they
a
have
healing
things like-
chest, can I get that? Listen,
Okay.
I am one frail boy.
There's a large chest right there, or just actually just an old chest.
Yeah. That's like 115, so I don't have the money
how
for
much
it.
is this?
anyway.
How much
I
is
do
that
now.
chest? 139. You need 139 for this.
Well,
chest.
I can
Ooh,
make
tri-tip.
enemies bleed. Oh, it adds it like a bayonet. That's cool.
Oh my god, I impaled tougher times on my spine. That's pretty cool.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
like a
I did too. My crowbar's going through. Holy shit.
there's like an item and it adds like it's like a thruster or something, and when you have engineer, it like puts it onto your back things. I like that one.
It'd be a shame if someone pressed this 15 times.
We can't do that
Can't
anymore.
do that anymore.
Aw,
We can press
Yeah,
it
it's
once
a
though.
modded thing.
that was funny though.
That was
War
really
Banner.
funny.
Not something I'm happy to. Not disappointed, but not all too infused about. See, there's another damage chest up here if someone's interested.
Oh, health chest. Who's the bitch?
115, 115. Oh, 78. I can use this. Ooh, what I
Rapidly
get?
heal outside
flash.
of danger. Pain.
I will take stun grenades. I like stun grenades. There's an equipment item over here.
Nice.
Oh.
I like Reynolds band or Reynolds.
Which one is that?
It's not. Frostfire whenever you do large damage,
Ah.
or runic ice, I should say. Ooh, green reward. I got Kajaros as well. Nice. I got the bands.
I think this is the first time I've seen that.
Having both bands.
Just have wait, both? What's the other band?
Reynolds and Kajaros.
Oh, yeah, I don't think I've seen Kajaros.
Well, you had to get it once to unlock it. I don't know if you unlocked it yet.
Oh, jeez, they went fucking flying. I bopped them with my shotgun and they just went fucking.
Alright, don't
into
give me
orbit.
something shitty.
Did
Guys.
do something shitty.
Nice.
I'll take a
Nice.
PSG.
Yeah, that's actually, I like that. I like this one a lot.
The radar.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Bro, you don't get to ignore the damage when I hit you with my revolver. Bitch.
Oh my god, is this a terminal with? So there's two question marks and an explosive thing on this terminal.
Explosive.
One of the
thing?
question. A chance to drop a sticky bomb on an enemy with each attack. And I got the
Aiden
rest
just
of the key.
ended some fucking lizard with extreme prejudice.
Fucking
Wow.
artillery strike.
Okay. It's like me Zeus striking a wisp. Remember that?
God, I don't want. Oh, you don't understand. So we introduced.
Ow.
So Ash got a bunch of fuel cells and used Zeus and my frames. Aiden, I want this chest.
Yeah,
Dibs.
I had
No.
like 15
How could
fuel
you?
cells.
I said
Oh,
dibs.
you got the bison steak? It's fucking garbage. Alright.
I still need
I guess you could say this
Two
was a
shrines of the mountains right here.
mistake.
Oh, there's also a shrine of sacrifice if you're interested, Charlie.
All right, I have barely any passive healing, so not really. It's outside of combat that I heal.
Hello.
I'm going to get this damage chest since no one else really came to get it.
Why are there 3 shrines of the mountain in this environment?
It's mountainous.
Hey, Aiden, you used that twice, didn't you?
No, Ash used it once and I used it once.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, if he just used it once, it's not that bad. And then I saw how far my health went. I went,
Topaz brooch. I like that.
Why the hell am I looking for chests? God, I'm an idiot sometimes.
Everyone is.
I wonder where the chests are. If only there was an object that would tell me where they were.
These balls I'm eating really weird.
I got the Lepton Daisy.
Ooh, that's nice.
There's a bunch of chests. There's like 3 chests right there. I want one, Charlie. Don't take them.
I can't actually get over this. I think I would have to get up. But save one for me, or 2, or I don't care.
Oh no, it's a shop.
Oh, okay. Then yeah, go nuts.
Holy shit, I got a red
Busting
item.
fungus and a stun grenade. I'll take
That's
the fungus.
set. Okay, that's pretty good.
But it's not Dio's best friend.
I don't know what the
What's
fuck
that
it
do?
is.
Aerial superiority. So increased jump as well as you do a slam attack whenever you.
Oh, it's that thing. I
God,
gotcha.
there's something so cool about whipping out a big iron and someone's life ending.
Hey, fuck you.
Okay.
I'll take a cautious slug. Why not?
Damn. That's all the chests.
Well, there's one more.
Oh.
Over
Damn.
There's
by me.
also plenty of
Oh, no, it's a 3D printer.
machines.
What does it
Ow.
print?
Medkit.
Oh.
Oh. Fuck you.
Aiden, I've started on my journey of speed.
God damn, this beetle is avoiding all of my attacks.
Don't
I
let
kept
it.
trying to shoot at it, and it kept dodging my fucking shotgun shells. And so I just said, you know what, fuck it, artillery strike. And it walked out of the range of the artillery strike.
That is a beetle who does
It
not
didn't
wanna die.
move from that corner for the entire time I was shooting at it until I used the artillery strike, and then it walked out.
Alright, I'm good if everyone else is.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Give me a sec.
Yep.
Oh, well,
Aiden.
shit.
Well,
Oh no!
Not the protectors.
Why are there two
There's
of them?
two of them. I think because there's 4 players. It's a balancing thing, I believe.
I can't exactly knife this fucker.
ow. Rude.
I need like a hopo feather or something.
Oh god, I am surrounded by
This is
wisps,
not good, this is
and
not-
I can't do shit because I can't fucking.
You. Hey, you want to get in my healing range?
Ow.
Oh, thank God for tougher times. I was right below that. Ooh, I'll take a fuel cell. I don't have anything to use a fuel cell on, so I'm good on those.
I'll take his. You shitter. You gained 2! Oh, you son of a bitch!
It's also using a radar, so it's kind of helpful.
Ah!
Wait,
I only have
did
one.
you think
but
I was
still
gonna
need
take
an
his,
item.
but then not take mine, Aiden?
Why would you take... I claimed that.
Yeah, QWERTY
Far
agrees with
before
my
you.
decision.
Yeah,
Guys,
well, Corey's a bitch.
guys, there's a lot of wisps here.
Yeah.
I can't do much against wisps.
I can.
Yeah, wisps. You and Aiden have to take care of wisps. Me and Ash can take care of a lot of the group ground mobs.
These fucking
Oh yeah,
jelly
just
beans.
gather,
Jellyfish.
just gather them all into a group, and I can just like do a bunch of damage.
Alright, nobody comment on that. Good. Well,
You forget, unlike the rest of them, I don't care. I need to take my meds.
generally a
Yeah.
good idea.
My tougher times blocked that.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I figured that out when it blocked the 93%.
I was standing right up. on
Hey!
something.
Oh, didn't block it that time, but I have a healing drone and a cautious slug.
Oh no. I popped him.
Don't worry about me, I'm just gonna eat one of these cocaine shortbreads.
Pardon?
If anyone finds a equipment, no.
Wood sprite.
I don't want to be here.
Get healed. I can now heal people.
What?
My gnarled wood sprite, it gives me passive healing, but I can send it to an ally if I want to.
I can now, using my extra magazine, I can swipe with my knife a second time.
Ooh, I want these, I want these.
Okay.
I have 3 of those.
Armor piercing rounds? Yeah, I have 2 of those.
Aiden, my journey continues.
Ow, ow.
I see. You're not gonna get as fast as you did last time. Not without the Zenkais.
No.
Oh, you found the rusted box? Where? Right there? Oh, perfect. I'm gonna
Oh,
take that.
son of a...
Oh god, fuck, 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 fuck.
Rusted box, thank you for the rose buckler.
Hey, Pain?
I'm dead.
Oh! Ah, I turned away from you so I couldn't send my healing to you in time.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
You did hear me say fuck a whole bunch, Viking Song.
To be
Yeah, we
fair,
did.
so was I.
Where'd you go? Get healed.
I literally only heal out of combat. Fuck.
I sent my wood sprite to you. I can heal you using that.
You can't resurrect the next time.
Yeah, that's
No.
another benefit of the mods.
Yeah, but it also kind of takes away one of the challenges.
Okay, we're not all masochists, Squirty.
It's not about being masochist. It's like being challenged in something. You can be challenged without being masochistic.
Okay, but we're not playing hard difficulty. We don't want to be challenged.
You can also be challenged without, like you seem to claim that a lot of quality of life mods are cheating, and you take away all the challenge when you really don't.
Like, guess what? You have to revive
And they
someone
can't-
by giving them your health.
They'll just do a captain of a healing thing, and that's not a problem. Yes, I get it. It just doesn't feel right based off how the
You
original
get it.
game
You
is.
just
That is my
don't
thing.
get it.
There's a free aiming crystal near my body.
I knew where that was. That would be helpful. However.
So if I recall, Ash
Right
died.
there.
Yep, here it is. Yoink.
What? Yeah.
I had more strawberry milk.
Strawberry milk.
Strawberry
Yeah.
MILF is better anyways.
True. Strawberry milk is like an S tier milk. It's S tier for strawberry.
You're the worst,
It
Aiden.
depends on like the brand, I suppose, because I've had some just really shitty strawberry flavored milk. There.
Got a Berserker's Pauldron?
That's cool. Let's
I
see.
had gun turret. So
Oh.
sad.
Yo, this is not a good situation.
Where? Wait. Yes, I got him. Well, is it enough though? Not by the looks of it.
This isn't a nice place to be.
My ability to artillery strike with extreme prejudice has come through for me once more.
Oh, fuck.
Are there any items that increase the charges of your shift ability?
Don't think so.
Damn.
Is that your? It's not that. I want to know the one that increases the charges of the secondary. Jeez, fire imps do a lot of damage.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Well,
the tank is dead.
Nice.
we either
Right.
get our asses we either get our asses kicked or walk away looking like badasses. One of these is a good thing.
You prick.
Did you just steal my fucking item?
No, he
No,
paid for
I
it.
paid for it.
What do you mean
I
he
wa-
paid for it? I hit the
I
button.
I watched
paid
his
for
money
it.
go down.
Yeah.
Bullshit. Absolute bullshit.
I have it
Dude,
on
I'm
video.
We have
Yes.
2 people spectating from his point of view to claim That can confirm.
Aiden, I
And
have
we
it
have
on video.
OBS.
Yeah, you seem to miss the point that I'm not being serious.
It's very hard to tell with you because you don't put any energy into your voice.
No, I just go along with the bit. I knew he wasn't serious.
Okay, good.
I don't think that was the best time to use the Shrine of Sacrifice.
There's never the best time, and guess what? We're fucked anyway, so...
Not necessarily. We pulled out of worse situations.
Have we?
It's true. Last night.
Okay, but that wasn't we, that was you two, and I died all the time. I also don't know where the teleporter is.
Doesn't the radar show it or something?
So,
Not by the look. No, there it is.
There.
no, it's right there.
A draconic egg.
Shame I don't
Ooh,
have
yeah.
it. Fucking out! Not a good place to be, not a good place to be. Don't want to be here anymore. Ow.
Don't worry, I'll
Yeah, right there.
save you.
Oh shit, I can't. Yeah.
Maybe wasn't the smartest action.
I can't BS my way out of being frozen anymore.
Don't you just love being on fire? It's like the worst, continuous effect in the game.
Oh, you bitches. Oh, everything's dead. Hey, you know what?
It's not.
Fuck this.
Thank you. I would like be alive again.
Oh, Grove Tender. This guy's... I haven't seen this guy, and then we see him 3 times in a row.
Really?
I
You
know.
did okay?
Well, I found him once in my single player, and then I joined you guys, and then he was like the only one that ever showed up on this map. I can't believe thought the giant wisp, or I believe it was a giant construct.
Oh, sweet fuck. Mm.
Granted, I also didn't play, but after Ben, they got updated, added, until I started playing with you guys, so... He could have just been added after I stopped.
Woo! I'm comfortably close to death. Ow, fuck. Pardon me.
Oh, there we go.
Well, it's up to you.
Yeah, okay.
They're over halfway there.
We couldn't have killed one of them to make this a little easier. We have to weaken both of them halfway.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Hello?
Oh, Jesus.
I teleported into the sky and then it spawned me in between the two bosses and I died. That was some bullshit.
In the robot. Oh, try to fix the tool, right?
Oh, what the fuck just happened?
Everybody make sure Charlie doesn't drop too low in health. Cause, yeah,
Look,
fuel array.
we could each grab a fuel array.
Yeah, that's not
Try
a
to
great
take
idea.
my item, Ash.
What?
You stood there waiting till I decided on an item.
I didn't
Ash has
take
a habit
it.
of doing that.
I know you didn't, but you just stood there like you were ready to.
Oh no,
No, I
that's something
was-
Ash will do.
Yeah, if you stand too close to an item when it spawns, you will take it.
We're
Yeah.
aware of that. We took advantage of that.
Yeah. I was doing that last night.
Aiden was
Don't try
not
to do it
pleased.
on me.
It was not. No.
But that time I wasn't trying that. I forget what I was doing.
Oh, I should have went for the damn coffee bag.
Oh damn, when did I get so many moonstones?
Probably during the modded. If
Oh,
someone
yeah.
if someone obliviates, then they get all the moon. They get a ton of moonstone.
Why do you keep saying obliviate?
Because I suck at speaking. And I forget what it's actually called.
Obliterate?
Obliterate.
Nobody did that.
I mean, they're not called moonstones either.
They're called lunar
Yeah.
coins. Not tokens, Aiden. Coins.
Yeah, for some reason I thought they were called tokens.
Fuck out of here. You fuckers. Standing in a chest, tells people to go away, buys chest. God damn it.
I have one item. Well, two now.
Well, you weren't the one that did it, so.
I was the one who took the chest that you're standing in.
Well, then fuck you. I don't know what
Okay,
class
I
everyone's
found
playing.
a-
Oh no, QWERTY's playing the Artificer now, so yeah, that makes sense. I'm going to.
Which one of these haven't I had before? I don't remember.
I
Like,
exploded.
no.
Notice.
Hey guys, it would be a shame if I
Oh god, no.
Oh, Zeus.
Zeus 2.0.
Well,
Time
I'll
to
see
collect
y'all
Steel
next
Pro.
round. I'm content with how many items did I have? 2? Fuck.
He just threw them all off the edge of the map. That's very funny. I have 2 items.
I also have 2 items.
I'm very slow.
You'll
Don't
say.
be.
Impossible.
Not scientifically possible.
Not scientifically possible. Whee! Box. Ooh!
Oh, fair.
I'm gonna get this big boy. I probably should have gotten rejuvenation ring, but
I don't know, Connor.
guys.
Aiden, we're kind of fucking stupid, not gonna lie.
yeah.
Ow! Motherfucker.
What did you guys do?
I
What were you
exploded.
fighting?
I just
Oh,
got
hey,
surrounded by
stop.
enemies.
It was the fucking flame wisps.
Damn it.
I swear to God, fire is just the worst.
It is. So, when do you want to just do the teleporter?
Yeah, sure, why not? I'm in a pretty good state.
That makes one of us.
I'm about to get frozen again. Eh. Okay, you
Where is
could have
she?
let me
Where's she?
set up my stuff, but
You said to hit the teleport. Oh, when that happens to QWERTY, he gets to fly in the air, and when it happens to me, I get teleported
No, that was
up the boss.
that was me activating my skill.
I'm dead. Good luck.
He's got this. He knows how to fucking gank every video game he touches.
True.
He also gets all of our items. Fucking Loot Goblin 2 Electric Boogaloo.
Well, this time it's allowed because everyone else is dead.
Yeah. Hell, we were dead last time you did it, but that was more due to you ganking all of the items.
still kind of do that.
My fuel cells.
My everything.
I
Literally
only got
anything.
3 items, and one I only got to use for like 3 seconds before
I had
died.
2 items, Aiden.
Oh right, that's equipment. Never mind. I forgot what Warhorn did. Ceremonial daggers are so fun.
Yay.
Yo, I'm fucked.
Oh, so you can't blame me for you dying this time. You took the fuel cell.
I didn't.
Oh, Ash can because I didn't realize they weren't ready for the teleporter event. Other than that, I can't be blamed.
Well, I wasn't blaming you.
I just want to be sure because I can't differentiate between being blamed and just statements.
Calling you a loot goblin does not mean you fucking killed me.
Oh, hey, you got the finishing touch. That's sweet.
Yeah.
That's
I just threw it amongst a bunch of wisps.
Hey, Aiden, you're closest. You can have this.
Nice.
Ow.
I need...
Where? Oh, you're still trying to get up here because you have no mobility.
Die, bitch.
Oh, you.
Ow, I'm on fire. I am on fire. I do not like this.
Just don't be on fire. Put it out.
I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
How? Oh, hey, there's the pressure
Wait.
plates.
Oh, this
Was
is
it
no
the
good.
pressure
How
plate?
much? Yeah. There's a giant door in this level that can be opened that gives you the Runold's band and Pajamas band. Hey, how much gold do you have?
I
What?
hate fire.
How much money do you have?
190, 200, 204, 206.
Yeah, if you want to come over to where I am, there's another chest.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Risk of
Ceremonial
Rain, where my only
daggers are
chance of
so
survival
fucking
is
good.
playing with a modded character. Pain.
I still suck at engineer.
How often have you played Engineer?
So, fuck off.
No, genuine question, because if you just need experience, that explains it.
Oh,
I played a lot of Artificer, so I know what I'm doing with her.
I played it once.
Okay, so I don't feel too bad.
So I do a lot better with the Artificer too.
Yeah, Artificer, if you know what you're doing with them, they do a lot. And Ceremonial Daggers are just the icing on the cake.
Yeah, I don't want command anymore.
Did you die while choosing items?
I was choosing an item and I guess I didn't pay enough attention to my health. Because when I looked, I was at 22 and then fucking died.
Yeah, that's the thing I don't like about Command. Is it? Yeah,
I like it in
If you don't
single
know-
player because you can fucking queue up that, but that's not allowed here. The one saving grace of command gets thrown out the fucking window.
Yeah, because otherwise you have to get used to where item placements are and know exactly what you're going to get at the time you pick it up.
Yeah.
Hey, Cat, I'm trying to play games and do homework. You're not gonna help with that, you asshole.
I found the teleporter. If you want to do that, Aiden.
Please let us live.
Not for long, but I'll be alive again.
Same.
'Cause I think this is the game telling you to do your math homework.
I am. Alright, so tell me how I'm wrong. I entered A plus 4 equals P, and it says, no, it's P equals A plus 4. Fuck you, math. Damn it, I just want to be done with this section. Fuck it, X and Y, I don't care.
You get 2, I get 2.
Yep.
I was gonna get another item, you know? I was gonna get a third. Fuck me, I guess.
All these ceremonial daggers. Such a good item.
Fuck you. Plus Y equals 17. I'm going to have an aneurysm. What could I have possibly done wrong?
I am alive.
Try not to die, Aiden.
What?
Try not to die.
Yeah, have you
I didn't-
considered not just sitting there and taking damage?
Hey, at least I didn't actually die like somebody.
Or I got kill Wisps with some extreme prejudice.
with the behest of Zeus.
Gasoline.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet Jesus.
Yeet!
Love that.
What?
I just saw you shoot that.
Chest collection right there.
Fucking fire.
Oh god, and they ran up to the freaking thing.
Ow. What the fuck is this? Part to the Shrine of Order.
I forget what that does, and I was too nervous to interact with it.
Isn't there another character you have to buy in the moon area?
There's the Artificer you have to buy, and then there's Acrid, which is unlocked in a secret area connected to the Bazaar.
Oh no, no, no.
Okay.
We already got both of those. I'm coming.
Ow. Goddamn. Fuck. Wisps. Lots of wisps. That white item is mine.
Hey, the shrine didn't give you anything.
No fucking shit. I'm stealing gasoline. I say stealing, but I'm paying gasoline.
Thief. Pretty sure all these chests have been opened, Aiden.
Oh, nice.
Beg your pardon.
I came up the other side and I didn't see any. Oh, this is not good. Fuck.
Fuck you.
You'd like that.
What? No, not literally. It's a metaphorical fuck.
A meta
The only
fuck, if
fucks
you
we're
will.
going to get.
Yeah. What's over there? Oh. Well, I don't know how I would get up there in a timely manner.
Whee! Okay, that actually did block some of the fall damage.
What
Neat.
did?
Using the shift ability on Rex.
My god, press Q.
Y'all ready?
Oh yeah, I mean, let's just
Yeah,
get there so I
fine.
could do as much damage as possible in a single second. That's kind of
Yeah.
one of my missions.
Why do I only have one? Okay, I was gonna say. Oh god. Wisp. Let me set up my.
Alright. I need to get a healing item. Oh, wait, I can just stand here.
Yeah.
We good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yep.
Oh, I missed.
You don't get to teleport when I'm gonna smite you, you bitch.
Alright, I'll let you guys. Oh, that
I'm
yellow.
picking the boss item.
Yeah, you guys can take my green if
Aiden,
you want.
You're an absolute shithead. You always
guys-
get the fucking yellow item.
If someone wants an extra green item, that's available. Except Aiden, since he took the yellow item.
Yep.
I
that's
died.
better.
So me.
What? Ow!
Because it
so
took too
Charlie,
fucking
you
long
get
to
two
choose
more-
not
you
letting
get
them,
two more
okay?
green
Because
items.
we had to do the fucking choose.
I can't think of any green items I need right now. I got the wax quails, I got some infusions, so you can take the greens if you want, Charlie.
I don't think I've gotten a yellow item.
They're rare. That's the problem.
And Aiden takes them
They're
whenever
not
they
that
show
rare.
up.
Yeah.
Well, they're rare when you're playing with Aiden, let me say that.
Yeah.
Nobody else ever calls them.
Because you call
But
them
you
the
call
second
them
they
first.
show up.
You can be across the map, and if someone doesn't get the syllable out before you do, you say it's yours.
Also, hey Aiden, when you can't see the difference between green and yellow, that makes it a little difficult.
That is also true.
That's true.
I was also just a half a mile in the air, so I really had no claim over the items.
We're leaving.
Ooh, wait, this is the area of the secret boss.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I already broke some of its eggs. And there I go.
Lagged out.
He's been having some issues with that.
Yeah, I got DC'd.
Which is why we don't let him host.
Which is why we have the mod, which
This is
allows
why
people
you
to
use
join back in.
mods.
Oh.
Okay. Healed it is. Oh, you shit.
Oh, fire.
Well,
I just got fucking erased.
same.
Why is that always how I die? It's never like, oh, I get damaged over time. It's just bam, a lot of damage and you're fucked. It's just, hey, sorry, I'm gonna melt you real quick. Pain.
Oh yeah, I just decided that no.
Boy, oh boy, I sure do love being alive. That's where you're wrong, kiddo. Anger.
I would eat some more of my soft noodle.
Stop.
What? What is it called?
I fucking hate you. He's gotta eat
Oh,
his soft
soft
nougat.
for some reason it has like wafers on the sides of it, and they're fucking terrible. The soft nougat is pretty good though.
I fucking hate you.
What?
I'm fairly certain it's now not pronounced nougat.
For sure, it's nougat.
Food? No, dude, it has an A.
I mean, let's go make a joke, but I don't think I would really go with. Oh, it's okay. Math is spelled with an M. People call it pain.
Why do they call me math? Aiden, damn it. Hey, QWERTY, you should have hit that.
They're not calling you math, they're calling math you.
Damn, is math really that bad?
I like math. That's just a joke I make.
Honestly, my only problem with
I
it
mean,
is how
at least
fucking
it's
long
better than
this stuff
English.
takes.
Yeah, it just
Yeah,
takes
math
so
is consistent.
long.
English is like, here's the
Fucking
same
hate
sentence. Find
English.
5 different ways to interpret it. But like, math, here's a number. That's it.
So I got back a grade. I'm like, oh damn, I didn't do good on this essay. And then I show up to class. It's like 93% of you failed. And I went, fuck's sake, I did great.
Okay.
And then my English teacher said,
Right.
I cannot morally grade you all off of that.
Yeah, so I really like another. My entire build was I want to one-shot anything that attacks me.
Well,
But if I don't one-shot, I'm screwed.
The enemies one-shot me, so... Playing Dark Souls again, I just get fucking melted. Like
There we
that.
go.
Yeah,
But
there was
mine was
a
more
lot
sudden.
of those guys.
Alright, now do we want to boot up mods so we can bring people back into the game when Aiden disconnects? I mean, people disconnect.